Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet scarves. It's ruffle scarves and simple scarves especially for summer. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet scarves ideas. It's very helpful for beginners and thank you viewers. Share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending designs. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet ruffle scarves and other simple scarves. Thank you so much viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am share with you the main question in all the beginners mind, what is the crochet. So I answered you what is the crochet. So viewer, crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabrics. It's used to make a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. So viewer, if you are interested to learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your mind and share your experience. Crochet is a wonderful hobby and crochet is a popular needlework technique that involving using hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor and toys and granny squares. Weaver crochet has many benefits including relaxation, stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, color and patterns, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Crochet, some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. One more time I am telling you, if you are interested in learning how to crochet and if you are beginner, so watch my all the previous videos. All the videos are very helpful, especially for beginners. So we will get started. I am share with you some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The crochet known evidence of crochet. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminium and steel and wood. Crochet has many health benefits and including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is popular hobby worldwide and millions people are love these articles and love these crocheting. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn how to crochet and learn and create. So it's a very amazing collection and very beautiful articles. It's a breathable and comfortable to wear, lightweight and perfect for summer. You can be used up and down and unique and handmade, making it a one of a kind piece. You can customized with various yarn, color and design. Easy to care for and maintain. Adds a touch of handmade charms to your outfits. If you are interested in making to crochet scarves, are many patterns and tutorials available on my channel. For all skills levels, you can choose your various styles for simple and elegant to intricate and bohemian. And so happy crocheting viewers. I hope you all are understand with the instruction and with the details of crochet. So my sweet viewers, thank you so much for supporting me. I am very happy and I am very thankful to you for your support. Please support me like this forever. I am very happy to say this. My all the YouTube community are very supportive and very kind. So viewer, if you are interested in learning how to crochet and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos. Be connected with me viewers. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.